Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you're watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon. Today's subject is machine drawing. Unit 2, limits, fits and tolerance. Part 1. If you want to see the previous videos, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show the subject playlist in both the language Tamil and English, and also it shows the other subject playlist also. Please see all the videos and don't forget to subscribe. So today we are going to see the introduction of limits, fits and tolerance. So why we need limits and fits and tolerance? Because the manufacturing or manufacturer of interchangeable parts requires precision. Without precision, the parts cannot be intersect together. So the precision is the degree of accuracy to ensure the functions of the parts as intended. So without ensuring the accuracy, there is no intended parts. So we cannot mate the part each other. So due to this, the linkages or the mechanism is not work properly. However, the experience shows that it is impossible to make a parts economically to the exact dimension in the design, because there is many factors to be considering while manufacturing. Due to in the design we cannot considering the manufacturing problems, physical problems. We are going to initiate our ideas in the design, but in the manufacturing we are facing lot of production issues, machine tools and also material property. So due to the material property, we cannot bring the actual size of the actual size in the exact dimension. Therefore uh, the given allowances margins show that he can produce a part, the dimension of which will lie between two acceptable limits, that is a maximum limit and a minimum limit. So the study of limits, tolerance and fits is a must for technologists involved in productions. The same must be reflected on the production drawing for guiding craftsmen on the shop floor. So the system is limit system. The system in which a variation is accepted is called the limit system. The following are some of the terms used in the limit system. The one is tolerance, limits, deviations, allowance, basic size, design size and actual size. So the limit system contains these seven types of allowances, seven types of limits, maximum and minimum limits. They are: one is tolerance, the second one is limits, third one is deviation, fourth one is allowance, fifth one is basic size, and sixth one is design size, and seventh one is actual size. So the one and one is the everything is intermediated. So we will see one by one in detail. First we are going to see the tolerance. The permissible variations of a size is called tolerance. So it is the difference between the maximum and minimum permissible limits of the given size. If the variation of the provided on one side of the basis size, it is the term said to be unilateral tolerance, and similar to that, if the variation is provided on both sides of the basic size, it is known as bilateral tolerance. You can see the image here. So we have a hole and a shaft. The both are mentioned in 10 mm diameter, but the tolerance given here is plus or minus 0.1. So we can create the hole up to 10.1 mm or 9.9 mm. So it is the tolerance given here, maximum and minimum limit. So what is limits? The two extreme permissible size between with the actual size is contained as are called limits. The maximum size is called upper limit and minimum size is called lower limit. So here the maximum size is 10.1, it is the upper limit, and the minimum size is 9.9, so it is the lower limit. It is compared with the basic size. And deviations. What is deviation? It is the algebraic difference between the size and the corresponding basic size. So here we are going to take the deviation in three terms. One is actual deviation, and another one is upper deviation, and another one is lower deviation. These three are the types of deviations. So what is actual deviation? It is the algebraic difference between the actual size and the corresponding basic size. So the difference, if you want to see, the basic size is 10 mm, but the actual size is after the production we are going to measure the size. It is the actual size. The actual size, it is the difference between the values. So if the actual size is 10 mm and the basic size is 10 mm, means the actual deviation is 0. If there is upper deviation, it may be the maximum limit of the size and corresponding basic size, that is 10 minus 10.1, the upper deviation is 1 mm, 0.1 mm is the upper deviation and minus 0.1 mm is the lower deviations here. So it is the lower deviation is the algebraic difference between the minimum limit of the size and the corresponding basic size. It is the deviation. And what is allowance? Allowance, it is the dimensional difference between the maximum material limit of the mating parts provided to obtain the desired class of fit. So if the allowance is positive, it will resulting in minimum clearance between the mating parts, and if the allowance is negative, it will result in maximum interference between the mating parts. So if there is the minimum clearance, it is called the positive allowance, and if there is a maximum or interference in the mating parts, so it is said to be the negative negative allowance. The next one is basic size. It is determined solely from the design calculations. So if the strength and stiffness required to a design, so we need 50 mm diameter shaft. Then 50 mm is the basic size of the drawing, the basic size of the material. If it has to fit in a hole, then 50 mm is the basic size of the hole. The line corresponding to the basic size is called zero line or line of zero deviation. The design size. Design size, it is the size from which the limits of size are derived by the application of tolerance. So if there is no allowances, the design size is the same as the basic size. If there is an allowance, the basic size is get deviated. And what is actual size? Actual size is said to be the size obtained after the manufacturing of the parts. It's known as the actual size of the material. So friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.